So, ladies and gentlemen, we have just done a special Halloween Q&A, hence why we're a little bit dripping wet.
Hence the apples as well. In it, we've been talking about everything YouTube marketing, we've been talking about Twitter video, we've been talking about our scariest moment, we've been talking about
lead magnets.
We've been talking about our favourite marketers whose nipples are bigger. We've been talking about so much.
So let's jump in our time machine and see what happens.
Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna work. We're gonna play a very special Halloween Q&A apple bobbing game. However, there's gonna be treat questions from you lovely people on social media.
And some trick questions set by our mortal enemies, Daniel and Lloydel. So, head in the bowl, pick out an apple. If it has an X on it, that means it's a trick question. If it doesn't have an X, we can answer a really nice question from you. We also have bowl cam to capture every ounce of Pete's fear.
Yeah, I'm really petrified, if I'm honest.
You go first.
What do you mean me go
You
first?
go first.
Well, on the apple bobby.
Yeah.
I want to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors. Damn it!
Yes!
Glasses on or glasses off?
Glasses off.
Horns on or horns off?
Horns on.
Okay.
Here we go, guys.
Hands
Apple
around.
number 1. Here we go, here we go. He's got one, he's got one. I don't think it has an X on it.
No X.
We're good. Where do I put this now? So I'm going to pick the first treat question, but actually there's 2 about YouTube, so I'm just going to do those 2 together. First one's from Blinkback, and the second one is from Kelly Noble Mirabella.
Why are you shouting?
I don't know. I don't know why I'm shouting. What's the single most important thing to get traction on YouTube? Great question. And Kelly asks, which tool is the most helpful for YouTube? Is it Morning Fame or TubeBuddy?
Great question, guys. For us, the most important thing is making sure that our videos are being found in search. So even though we're using both TubeBuddy and Morning Fame, we would probably lean more towards Morning Fame as being our favorite YouTube tool, just because it helps us work out whether we have a chance in hell of ranking for what we want to rank for.
And even if you don't have a chance of ranking, you still know that that video is in demand, so that's something really cool. Also, we'd add in there keywords everywhere. That makes sure you know which search terms are actually getting some hits.
Back to the apples.
Back to the apples.
Just go.
Oh my god, it's so hard.
You have to go deeper. Go deeper. No X on this one. Do you like our outfit, by the way?
GDPR, because it's an absolute nightmare. Next question is from JK, Joseph Kowalski. What is your must-watch creepy movies to watch during Halloween?
Our like joint movie that we have to watch together, no matter what.
Because Andrew's too scared.
Insidious.
You can do this. Oh god. 10 minutes later. Wow, you are like really fine.
Did I get like a really small one the first time? Oh my god, there's so much water.
We got one. Drop.
Oh my god, that was so hard.
It's not got enough. Okay, the next treat question then. It's from Matt Brown from Member Mouse, aka we call him Mouse Matt. How do you approach creating lead magnets in 2018?
We would say make sure your lead magnets are super valuable. I think people are wise now to these crappy checklists and rubbish lead magnets. So make sure they are super valuable and solve a specific problem.
And that doesn't necessarily mean being super long either. Shorter is often the better lead magnet.
So it can be a checklist as long as it's super valuable. Is that what we're saying? Oh no, he's gonna do it! No, he lost it!
Away.
Yes! Oh no, it's an X. Would you punch each other in the face for £1 million every day of the week?
I'd do it for a tenner. Come on. He's trying to suck and grab. Yes, he's got it. Well done. No eggs.
No eggs.
But a lot of saliva. So this next one is from Mark Asquith, and he has actually sent us a video.
Who would win in a fight between Meatloaf with one hand tied behind his back and a cat of his choice as a weapon, or your favourite uncle with a water pistol full of jam? Now, your uncle doesn't have his hand tied behind his back. Let's not disadvantage too much. It's a lot more difficult than you think. Good luck with that one, guys, and happy Halloween.
I'm not sure jam would come out of a water pistol.
No.
Maybe that one needs testing. So I'm gonna go for Meatloaf.
I think I might go for Meatloaf
I feel
too.
like the cat could help as well.
Yeah, I'd be scared of cat attacking me.
Especially Meatloaf's cat. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying seeing us suffering, then Dan and Lloyd are doing something very similar over on their YouTube channel today, so go and check that one out too. Oh no! Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
I got it!
It's an X! Who has the biggest nipples?
He has the bigger nipples.
I do. Fair enough.
Go on, lad. Go on. It's almost there! You got it! Oh!
Did that count?
I'm gonna count
Did that
I'm
count?
gonna count that.
Okay.
It's another X.
Oh, for God's sake. Who makes a better cup of tea and why? Pete has never made a cup of tea in his life. Have you?
I have.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But definitely me. Neither of us drink tea.
Oh, and we're British. How weird does Andrew look without glasses on?
So, yeah, I can't see a thing right now. Yes, we're getting better. Yes, we got it. Oh no, I'm counting it. No X.
No X.
No
okay.
X.
This is from Alison Ellerbrook, and she asks, how to make Facebook Q&As more interesting for sensible organizations without being a bit bonkers.
You mean not using apple bobbing as a technique for engagement?
I think you could just use apple bobbing, to be honest. So we have a video all about Facebook live tips over here, so definitely go check that out. The key to a successful, non-boring, and non-bonkers Q&A is to pre-promote it. So promote the live, tell people that you're gonna have some really good questions answered from them, and just answer the questions in the Q&A. But because you've pre-promoted it, they're gonna have their questions being answered, so it's gonna make for a really good live.
Probably our biggest technique is make sure the person that's hosting that live is good on camera. But also, dive right in to the Q&A. Get to the value straight away. Don't wait around 10 minutes with fluff. That's what you need to do. You need to substitute bonkers for value.
Okay, next question. Trick or treat? Will it be a trick? Will it be a treat? Who knows? Andrew, it's back to you. What has happened to that? It's bit it in two. This next treat question comes from Jason Stevens, and he asks, what's the best video program or app for video for Twitter?
We love Twitter's inbuilt video app, don't we?
Yeah, on the
a lot of
mobile.
people don't know that you can actually shoot video from Twitter itself.
And it's actually really good because you can do little short bursts, little snippets, and then just edit it and move it and do
Go on. He's got it. Yes! No X. Clean apple.
Alright, this next one is from Amanda Webb, and she asks, monsters or true crime? Serial killers. Ugh, which one is the scariest?
Definitely true crime. I find horror movies that aren't monster based, just people killing people for the sake of it, way scarier.
We're pros at this now, Go on, Andrew, lad. Oh, he had it! Yes! Let's go. What is the trick question?
If you had to swap voices or hairstyles, which would it be? Well, knowing the amount of time it takes you to do your hair in the morning, I don't think I could be up with that.
True.
So I would definitely choose my voice.
And listening to Andrew singing in the car, in the shower, in the office, on just everywhere, then yeah.
Definitely choose the voice.
I'd have your voice.
Thank you. Come on, my friend.
Okay, here we go.
You can do this.
Come on.
Yes! No X.
Alright, so this question is from Ross Davies, who asks, what's the scariest moment you've had since starting your business?
Oh.
That's a good question.
We've got a really scary one coming up next year.
We have.
Which we can't tell you about yet.
We can't say anything just yet.
That's just teasing,
That's
isn't it?
we're really bricking
so
it about
annoying.
that. But stay tuned for that one coming up soon.
I think the most scared I've ever been is probably our first time speaking at Social Media Marketing World.
Yeah.
It felt
Yeah.
so ridiculously
Absolutely.
big. Alright, this is my last apple.
Last apple. Here we go. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. No X. No X. The question
glasses
is
back
from
on. Go on.
Julia Bramble. Hello, Julia. If Julia Bramble wasn't your favourite female marketer, who would be? Well,
You're shouting again. Oh my
my
god,
gosh,
there are so
there's so
many
many.
amazing female
there's
marketers.
so many.
Teresa Heath Waring,
Oh my
Janet
gosh.
Murray, Amy
Yes.
Porterfield,
Kim Garth.
Kim Garth,
Anne
Anne Handley. We
Oh my
love
God.
some Anne Handley.
Oh, Jen Herman. Oh my god,
Yeah.
there's so many. Like, we've probably forgot a load right now,
Pick
but
one.
I can't think straight.
Pick one.
I love Kim Garth because she gave us a really big break and talked to us, and she was so lovely.
I love Teresa Heath Murray Porterfield. Handley. The last apple. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yes, it's gone in. It got it. Got it in one.
First time, baby.
Oh.
Yes.
But it's an X. Who is a better singer? Prove it.
Oh god. This is maybe something for the audience to decide in the comments. Let us know.
And I will always love peace.
Oh, that was good. And I will always love you. Happy Halloween, guys! If you've enjoyed this and you want to get more marketing unboring, then head on over to andrewandpete.com / not slasher, but / unboringed, because that's a word, and sign up for more updates on these videos.
If you dare.
Also, head on over to Dan and Lloyd's channel today because since we were victorious in Andrew and Pete versus Dan and Lloyd, their Halloween challenge is a little bit worse.
Oh yeah. Check it out.
I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
See you next time when we'll be dry marketers.
So jumpy.